Thank you so much.
Mile, guess what?
What?
You have 500 subscribers. Over 500 subscribers by now. How does that make you feel?
Happy!
So what are you gonna do today for your subscribers?
I'm gonna make a track for them, a big track everywhere.
Ooh, so we're gonna make a special track today for 500, right? Okay, let's do it. Hey kids, so guess what Maya made for you? It's a number 500 track. What number is it, Maya?
500.
Ooh, let's put all our wooden engines on them and see if we can cover the whole 500. Okay. Do you want to do only wooden?
Yes.
Or only character?
Only wooden.
Gotta dig through this thing. So to go car.
Oh yeah. All of them.
This one.
With more birdies.
Guys, the zero's done. Woo, that looks so good.
No,
okay, now let's do this zero. Ooh, you have way more than enough. Oh my god, Mile, look at this.
500.
500? You have to be crazier than that. Okay, do your craziest dance for 500 subscribers. And what do you want to say to your subscribers?
Thank you so much. Thank you for 500 friends. Bye-bye. I miss you.
Oh, you're so beautiful.